Hello friends, welcome to Farmhouse DIY and Decor. Today I'm going to share some tips on how to make beautiful farmhouse baskets. The first method is very easy one. You can take the jute twine and have 4 up to 6 strings and wrap it around the basket. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to see more DIY and decor ideas. If you're already with us, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and share your ideas in the comment section. I'm using the jute twine to make very beautiful and simple bow. At the same time, if you want it to be very simple, so you can just leave it at this stage, but I want to take it further and make few bows and attach it to the basket. So after the jute bow was done, I took some jute ribbons and just wrapped them around with another jute twine, and the bow was done and I attached it to the basket. The second method is also a very easy one, so I'm just going to glue my strings to the table in order to hold them together, and then I'm going to braid it all along, and then I will attach it to the basket with few bows around it. The jute twine is naturally very rough, so if you want to give it a very soft look, you will have to burn the excessive amount of jute twine around the strings. For that, I'm using a lighter and I will burn it. It's a very simple one, but just make sure you shouldn't burn anything else with it, so do it in a very safe surface. I hope you like this video as much as I love making it. It is a very simple and stylish one. You can use these baskets in your living room, bathroom, kids' room or any other room that you would like to decorate as a farmhouse look. Please let me know in the comment section which of these ideas you liked it more. See you in my next video.